Pedialyte, vet drivers, few files. What else?
BITS.
Huh?
Bits.
Yeah, BIT apostrophe S. Hi y'all! Yeah, we're dicking around in the garage and we're labeling the toolbox, getting stuff organized. I got my better half writing out all the labels for me. So, dog's barking as usual. But when we get everything organized and set up, we'll give you guys a tour. But this is just a little clip, and I convinced my lovely bride to be in the video. Vet drivers, files, and chainsaw wrenches. Like chainsaw wrenches. When you cut firewood, you can never have too many of these. Take them with you in the woods, lose them. Good?
Yeah.
All right. I don't think that was the right Sharpie.
I don't think so either. I think this one's purple and the other one I used is black.
Yep. They will.
It's close enough.
It'll work. Well, hey, that couldn't have been any more perfect timing, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what? We got mail. So, yeah, Toby Northern did a live stream a few weeks ago that she chimed in on the end of, and ended up winning something. So, we're gonna go ahead and let her open that up.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't cut your fingers.
I'm not. That'll work, right?
Show them the sticker.
Better if you do, because you hold white. I don't know where this camera is.
It's a 360 camera.
There's that.
Got another Toby Northern sticker. Now, he did change his channel name to Northern Adventures. I'll put a link to it in the description box. But check him out. I think this is what I want.
What's that?
Poster card set. Poster card set.
Let me see.
You want to see? What else? Oh. Another sticker. Because you can't have too many of those.
What's on over here? Gas cap keeper.
Okay, so I got a gas cap keeper and a universal mount helmet lock for locking your helmet up.
And this is what the wife got.
Help me. Oh,
Speak up. Show them the box.
you should.
You show them the box.
Mm-mm.
Come on,
Nice.
show them the box. Ready to open the box?
Yeah, set it down first. This is glass on it, so. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
What do you put in this?
What do you put in that?
Whatever. Whiskey, whatever.
Whatever you drink, probably.
Okay.
Okay.
That's nice.
So, thank you, Toby.
Hold it up.
Hold it. Here, I'll hold it up.
Take it close.
I-
Nice.
Say, thank you, Toby.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna put this in my cabinet. There you go.
Alright, hey, thank you, Toby. She's gonna go put that in the cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
She's a little camera shy. We
Yeah.
don't know why. Come
I
here.
don't like it.
Oh, she'll be alright. We'll get her broke in. But we're gonna get back to sticking around in the garage and just trying to clean the mess up. Thanks for watching.